Guys, in this video, I will show you the difference, real difference between the list and tuple in Python. Okay, so let's start by creating some list. Like case is equals to, I'm creating some list, maybe exotic pick is there. Okay, so now this is our list. In my old videos, I also told you guys like how we can create a list. Okay, so now I create a list, and for example, I want to access a specific item inside the list at index 0. Then I will say print it out. Okay, it's not like this. Look, in the output we got the exotic, which is at index 0. Okay, so what if I want to do like this? Let me copy this one. Control C. I want to put it like fun, for example. Let me copy this one. This one. Now exotic has been replaced by fun. Okay, so in our list we have now fun and take. Okay, if I do like this, let's compile. Now we will get the clear idea. So in our list we have as of now fun and take. Okay, so now, okay, so what is list? List is basically a mutable. What does this mean? Mutable means it is changeable. You can change the elements. Okay, so unlike tuples, in tuples you can't change it. Once you declare it, they will be remain in that state. So I want to give you an example for tuple. Let me copy this code. So, or I can comment out this section in order to avoid confusion. So how we create tuple? We create tuple like this. Okay, so I want to print it. It's index 0. Okay, let me print out at index 0. Yes, edit. In index 0 we have exotic, so that's true. So now I want to change at index 0 exotic to fun, and now let me compile it. Look, it threw us an error. What does this error means? It is a type error. Okay, and it says tuple object does not support item assignment, so you can't, they are immutable. You can't change tuple values. So always remember this difference. So this is the basic difference between the list and tuples in Python. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.